Hey, Letter Engineer 0.6.0 is now out, and we finally have a brand new, flashy new feature, this one being icy letters. So icy letters are very straightforward. They're frictionless, so they'll glide across the ground, and if you put an engine on the back of them, they'll shoot forward. This lets you do cool things like this. There's a whole bunch of new levels with these icy letters, with, of course, more in planning. Now, this seems pretty straightforward, but actually implementing this takes a few more steps than you might think. Godot's native physics engine doesn't actually support use cases like this. See, each structure in Letter Engineer's physics simulation is made up of two parts: a body and a whole bunch of collision shapes. The body is the physics object itself. It has properties like position, rotation, and velocity, and it keeps track of all the physics interactions. The collision shapes just determine the shape and size of the object. They are hitboxes and hitboxes only, so they don't know anything about the body that they're attached to. In Godot's physics engine, material properties like friction therefore only apply to bodies, not the collision shapes of those bodies. A single body with multiple physics materials in different locations isn't something that it supports. And multiple physics materials in different locations is exactly what I would need to have some parts of a structure be slippery and other parts not be. But I had very luckily replaced Godot's default physics engine with one that does support per-shape friction. The reason I was using this engine, Godot Rapier, was actually completely unrelated. Check out my previous videos about determinism to see why in more detail. But although the Rapier physics engine technically supports per-collider physics properties, Godot Rapier, the connector between Rapier and Godot, does not. And of course this makes sense. Godot Rapier is meant to be a one-to-one drag-and-drop replacement for Godot physics, so it doesn't implement extra features even if the underlying engine it uses supports them. But it's open source, so after a lot of staring and trying to understand the code structure, I managed to change Godot Rapier to be able to take advantage of that Rapier feature, and now it's in the game. It really doesn't feel like much or even look like much, but diving into an open source project like this and gathering enough context to make even a tiny change is a non-small undertaking. But I'm super glad I did it, and it luckily worked straight up exactly how I wanted it to on my first try, which is so extremely rare. As usual, the game is available to download for free now. Hit the link in the description. Play the game right now. I'm serious. Go to the description, hit the link, download the game, extract the zip, play the game. Do it. Do it. Play the game. Start playing now. I'm gonna keep sitting here and talking and telling you that you need to play the game until you do it. The entire rest of this video, don't look at the runtime, the entire rest of this video will be me telling you that you need to play the game right now. Go to the description. Download it. It's free. There will be a little donation link that pops up, but you don't have to donate. You can just skip it. I won't be offended whatsoever. You just need to hit the download button and then choose your operating system. If you're on Mac, I'm sorry. I don't have a Mac to test it on, so I haven't been able to export anything for Mac. But I have a Windows build and a Linux build. So if you have access to one of those operating systems, go, download, play the game. If you don't have access to one of those operating systems, go get access to one of those operating systems. Best Buy will